Let me know down below in the comments, what have you been loving about my content over the past 30 days? Or what has been your biggest breakthrough or your lesson that you've learned about starting your online business? When you plan your day, you can design your day to be full of fun and to be a 10 out of 10. But if you turn up every day in your business with no plan, then you're not going to move the needle in your business. And you're going to find yourself going round and round in circles, not knowing what actions to take. So how do you design your day to be full of fun and to be a 10 out of 10? You need to design your day around your life. So let's break your day down into 3 parts: your morning, your afternoon, and your evening. And there's 3 questions that you need to ask about each part of your day. What do you love? What do you resist? And what do you dislike? If you're resisting creating content for your business, then you need to understand what your content is going to do for you once it is created. Your content is going to help you build your brand. It's going to help you generate leads. And it's also going to educate your audience on who you are, what you do, who you help, and how you help your clients. And when you believe in yourself and you're building a $50,000 a month business, then you're going to be excited to be turning up every day and creating content for your audience. If you want to be building a $30,000 a month business, then you need to be turning up as the CEO and the leader inside of that business. If you're not yet hitting those goals, then your mindset has to shift from having to create content to you get to create content to educate your audience. So if you want to be making $30,000 a month in the next 12 months, then your mindset has to shift. You need to start to surround yourself with the people that are going to raise your standards. You need to get in proximity with these people so you can learn from them and leverage their resources. So start designing that life that you want to be living 12 months from now. And when you're ready to start living that lifestyle today, you are going to write down your routines of what you do in the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. For me, my daily routine is to take my video that I created yesterday, head over to Opus Pro and have that video clipped, and then review and edit those videos and schedule them back onto YouTube so those videos can garner more attention for me. I then spend the next 30 minutes every morning writing out content on the next video that I'm going to be making. And then I'll create that video and send that video off for editing. Then at 7:30 every morning, I'll have breakfast with the family, I'll do a couple chores around the house, and then I'll head off to either the gym or the beach to enjoy my mornings. I also love to spend time with my daughter of an afternoon after school and enjoy the cool things in life. When you decide to set a schedule, you need to stick to it. It's not going to be easy at first, but when you do it consistently, you're going to start creating new habits. And this reminds me of a quote from James Clear, who is the author of Atomic Habits. Whenever you want to change a behavior, ask yourself, how can I make this obvious? How can I make this attractive? How can I make this easy? And how can I make this satisfying? When you're starting a new habit, ask yourself those 4 questions. So make sure that you take the time to write down what your routines look like of a morning, an afternoon, and an evening, and write down what you love, what you resist, and what you dislike. And when you start to do this, you'll start to design the life that you desire. Make sure that you also include your family, your fun, your faith, your finances, and your freedom. When you start designing your life around the 5 F's, and you start to see your day around your schedule, then you'll start believing in what you're building. And when you start believing in what you're building, you'll be open to receive it. And you'll attract what you focus on. So focus on the 5 F's and design your life. So remember to take the time to write down your routines, as this is going to help you create those $30,000 months over the course of the next 12 to 24 months. And in a few years, you are going to become a self-made millionaire. When you write down your routines and identify what you're doing in your day, you are going to have the biggest breakthroughs. Because if you're spending 3 hours every day on the couch watching Netflix, then you're never going to create that $30,000 a month business. Instead of watching 3 hours of Netflix every night, turn off the TV and invest that time into your education. Then apply that education and implement what you've been learning so you can develop those skills and take that first big step forward to creating that $30,000 a month business. When you are ready to invest into your education and learn digital marketing and grow your business using short form video and social media, then smash the link in the description to learn how.